A Class C motorhome is recognizable by the cab over, a space above the cab that typically serves as a sleeping or storage area. In terms of size, a Class C typically splits the difference between a large Class A motorhome and a camper van. But some Winnebago Class Cs are nearly 33 feet long. Add a slide-out or two, and you get a tremendous amount of living space in a Class C. Winnebago builds diesel Class C motorhomes on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, like the View, Navion, Vita, and Porto, as well as gas-powered motorhomes on Ford chassis, like the Winnie, Spirit, and Outlook, and the all-new Ekko. Class Cs are usually built on a pickup truck or van chassis, so the cab itself will feel very familiar to most drivers. And with that cab-over bunk and maybe a pair of bunk beds, some Class C motorhomes offer even more sleeping capacity than a longer Class A model. In fact, some of our Minnie and Spirit floor plans can sleep up to 8. All that, plus the versatility and affordability, makes Class Cs the favorite choice for families large and small. For 2021, our Class C Spotlight vehicles include our new Winnie, built on Ford's gas-powered V8 E350 or E450 chassis. The Winnie comes with sleeping capacity up to 8 people, so it's perfect for family adventures. It's also got the latest safety features from Ford, including collision warning, lane assist, driver assist, hillside assist, traction control, and of course Winnebago's legendary build quality with our superstructure construction, steel-mounted appliances, and all the things we've learned over 60 years of building motorhomes. The Winnie comes in 6 different floor plans and 4 exterior options. The most exciting new vehicle in this class is the all-new Ekko. Built on a 2021 Ford Transit chassis, this RV comes with standard all-wheel drive and has everything you need to go off-road, off-grid. It travels like a camper van, but with the space and storage of a Class C RV. The Ekko features a 50-gallon fresh water and holding tank, which blows away the competition's holding tank size on a Class C RV. Oversized tanks maximize off-the-grid capabilities. Water systems are located inside the coach for all-season functionality and easy winterization. The 2 20-pound LP cylinders are removable and highly valued for the easy switch in and switch out. And to keep you off the grid even longer, it features a 455-watt solar system. With ample interior storage and the unique pass-through rear storage, perfect for bikes, skis, golf clubs, and other gear, you can bring more of what you need with you. The Ekko takes outdoor living to a new level with the exterior shower, outdoor kitchen, and batwing awning. This unique feature allows for outside coverage from sun and wind. It also brings the outdoors in with large exterior windows. Whether you need extra sleeping space for a large family or you want to pack in all your gear for longer excursions and get off the grid, Winnebago's Class C has all the options covered.